What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the sports car. Yeah, so
Who are you?
I'm Logan, and this is
Uncle Mike. What's the
Okay.
topic today, Logan?
Topic today is how to rebuild the New York Knicks.
All right. So what's the problem with the Knicks?
I don't know.
They're bad.
Yeah,
They're like really bad.
their chemistry is off.
Their chemistry is off. They have Joakim Noah can't shoot. He's also suspended. You think is D Rose getting along with the team?
Yeah.
And you like we were talking about it earlier, when you think about who they have, a team that has Melo, Porzingis, and D Rose should be a playoff team. And they're not a playoff team. So there's something wrong. So what do you do? What do they need? How about the triangle? Should they continue to run the triangle or give it up?
I think they should give it up.
Okay. And then what pieces should they add? If anybody.
I think they need to get rid of Melo and then build around Porzingis.
Get rid of Melo.
No, they would trade him. If we would trade him for a Chris Paul or something.
But you already have Rose.
Yeah. But Rose could be a shooting guard or something.
No, he can't shoot.
Yeah, but
No. So are you?
Chris Paul or something.
So you want to get rid of Melo though?
Yeah.
You think it's time to say goodbye to Melo? You want to build around Porzingis. Well, and you think that Rose is still valuable. He's still a good point guard. So D Rose and Porzingis. And who do you add? You're thinking Chris Paul. I'm thinking he's too much like D Rose.
Like someone young or something.
That's tough. I might get rid of D. Oh no, we can't. I might get rid of D Rose.
No.
I know. I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say that. Oh, because he is good when he's on. He can still light it up. Oh, who do you get? I think it's just like the other episode we were talking about. I think a guy like what's his name? Clay, a shooter, a pure shooter. Or how about creating New York's version of the Twin Towers? Twin basketball towers, not the actual Twin Towers, of Porzingis and Anthony Davis.
Yeah.
You think that could do something?
Yeah. Yeah, you could put you could put Anthony Davis at center or something.
Yeah, that's true. They won't have a big guy. Anthony Davis is still kind of skinny.
Yeah.
Huh. I don't know. That's a tough one. Well, who would you want to see in a Knicks uniform? Who would you want to see in the Garden being announced?
LeBron James.
And starting at small forward, number 23. So you want to hear that? That would be pretty cool. Yeah, I would totally trade Melo for James, and then some. Any other pieces?
We still need a shooting guard too.
You got Klay Thompson,
Oh yeah.
right? Let's take two players. Let's say we add Klay Thompson, we trade Melo, add someone else. Because it's going to take more than one player to turn the Knicks competitive. Let's pick the starting five. For the New York Knicks, with Porzingis at the power forward. You want Porzingis at the power forward. LeBron James at the small forward. Rose at the point. Clay at the shooting.
Marcus Cousins.
Oh, that would be a starting five. That would be unbeatable. That's like an all-star team right there. Or would you take a gamble on Embiid? No, why not? Why not?
No.
Why not?
I like Carl Anthony Towns.
Cat, yeah. Not. Why don't you like Embiid? Why? You're always like no, just no. But why?
No.
He's got a great shooting touch.
No.
You don't like him?
No.
Why don't you like him?
I don't know.
You just don't like him. In the same way I just don't like Clay. You just don't like Embiid. So you don't want him on your
Yeah,
list.
like Carl Anthony Towns.
Okay.
He has a great future.
Okay. Good one. So who's the starting five again? Go through it.
D-Rose, Klay Thompson, what's his name? Wait, is that the small forward?
KP.
No, he's a power forward.
Oh, LeBron James.
Yeah, we get
You
LeBron at small forward.
you just forgot LeBron James's name. Wow.
No. I thought that I forgot that we had him.
Okay.
And then KP, and then
Center.
yeah, Carl Anthony Towns.
Carl Anthony Towns. So that is our new New York Knicks. Phil Jackson, if you're watching this, make it happen. Do the close now. At the end of the show.
Yeah, what do I do?
I'd like to thank you for watching.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out